Hi everybody, and welcome to your Quick Fix Tip of the Week. Here today to talk to you about the most important aspect of your game, regardless of what you may think, and that is the putter, okay? At the end of the day, if you are serious about changing your game, if you are serious about dropping strokes from your score and ultimately improving your handicap, right here is where you need to do it. Most golfers tend to neglect the putting game because it's not the most flashy and it's not the most fun to practice. But at the end of the day, you want to change your game and you want to improve your scores, it's right here, okay? So we've got two easy drills for you today. The first is going to focus on club face angle. We're not going to get too enamored with how the club is how the putter is traveling through impact, whether it's a little bit of an arc stroke or whether it's straight back, straight through, because at the end of the day, we're making such a minute and small stroke that the most important factor is going to be a square club face at impact. So first drill is going to require two golf balls. All you're going to do, as you can see, is you're going to set these golf balls down side by side, and you are then going to set the putter face down behind the golf balls, and you're going to make sure that those two golf balls are evenly distributed across the face of the putter. You're going to make some strokes. We'll make some examples here. So the first example is going to be what would represent a closed club face. So if you have a closed club face at impact, the golf ball that is positioned on the toe of the putter will travel farther, like so. Okay, so as you can see, that ball that is out on the toe of the putter face actually traveled farther. That means that my club face was closed at impact. I'm going to grab these balls again, and we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to set this down like so, and we are going to now represent a putter face that actually is going to be open at impact. So what will happen in that instance is actually that the ball that is on the heel of the putter will travel farther, like so. And like you see, this is not exactly easy. So you can see I was trying to get the heel to actually open up, but I still closed that toe. So again, that one, same thing. The toe of the putter was closed, which is why that ball that was out on the toe closed. Ultimately, what you want is you want the two golf balls to travel equal distance. Whenever you start to see those golf balls travel an equal amount of distance, relatively speaking, that means that your club face is coming through relatively square. Let's try to get one going here. So there you go. That was a little bit better. The heel was open a little bit there. But again, what you're looking for is you're looking for those two golf balls to travel an equal distance. If the ball on the toe passes the ball on the heel, that means you had a closed club face. If the ball that was on the heel position passes the ball on the toe, that means your club face was open. Instant feedback, really easy to do. And again, I really think that at the end of the day, a square club face at impact is going to get your golf ball started on the proper line that you want it to. Second drill we're going to do today is going to focus on centerness of contact. Now, centerness of contact is ultimately going to be responsible for making sure that the golf ball travels a consistent basis or a consistent distance from stroke to stroke. What happens is that if we make the same stroke, same length of stroke, 5 times, but we hit the golf ball once on the toe, once on the heel, once on the club face, all 3 of those golf balls are going to travel different distances. So centerness of contact is extremely important to make sure that we are traveling the golf ball the same distance. Now, you've got a couple different ways. This drill, there's a couple different variations that you can do. In season, if you're out on the practice green, you're going to want to take 2 tees. You take 2 tees, you set your club face down, and you put a tee right here and you put a tee right here. All you're trying to do is pass that putter head through that. Now, for our purposes, if it's during the winter or right now during quarantine, what I'm using today, I'm using some of my daughter's blocks, as you can see right there. I got 3 of these blocks. Put them on something nice and solid, and again, I just made those blocks just outside each end of the putter, just outside of the toe, just outside of the heel. All we're going to do here, try to make strokes, and we're going to try to pass through that gate, because the more we can pass through that gate consistently, the more we are going to hit the center of the club face. So again, we're going to set up here, and we're just going to try to pass through that gate, okay? Just like so. Again, now, obviously, if we do one of these and we hit it, then we know we've got to reset. We did not make a proper stroke relative to hitting the center of the club face. All we'll do, you're going to set your putter face back. You're going to set your putter back down here. Give yourself a little bit of space on the heel. Set that down back on the toe. And then again, you're just going to try to pass that putter through that gate, okay? So again, another easy instant feedback drill. Again, we're talking about club face angle on the first drill with the 2 golf balls, and then we are talking about centeredness of contact. Two of the most important aspects to make sure that not only A, do you start to make more putts, but B, you 3-putt less. So hope everybody's safe. Hope that this is the last at-home tip of the week that we have to do. Hopefully we can get rolling pretty soon, so we're really excited to see everybody. Take care, and we'll see you soon.